What says you did?
I said, hey.
Hey. Nowhere near as nice as it was yesterday. It's pretty crappy out. But today, we're not working on Jezebel. I just wanted to point the camera at her because, well, always looks cool in the video. All wiped down. I still like the way it looks. Waiting on the 4-speed to get done, but today we are going on an adventure for Dad and going to get some tractor parts and then maybe look at a project for him. Maybe we'll just get you in the video
and see what it looks like.
Yeah. So when we get out there, we'll see if we get some filming done on Dad's maybe top secret project he bought that 440 for, and hopefully it's in decent shape. If not, well, there goes the whole top secret project, and now we just got a 440 for no reason.
Oh well.
It still sounds cool. It runs good.
Yeah, and it ain't. They don't make them anymore.
Nope. So go get your drink, and we'll get on the road. So hope you guys enjoy this one. Well, guys, we made it out here, and we've been talking tractors and stuff because this guy's got a bunch of Alice Chalmers tractors, and we kind of get along with him. He's one of my Uncle Randy's best buddies from high school, and he's a pretty cool dude. But we're out here, and we'll just kind of swing. Oh, what's that? Uh-oh, that might be what Dad's after. So most of the stuff will be for sale. Just trying to clean up. There's a Bronco 2. I think that's a Chevy Caprice. I think my uncle's already dealt for that. I have no idea what that sweet little Toyota is, but I'm sure someone out there needs that. Just an old Dodge van, don't need to worry about that. Jeez. Look at that sweet F-150. Yeah, it's got a little rot, but yeah, it'll buff out. I do like that big old Chevy truck. I might need that. Might need that in my life. But in all seriousness, this is what Dad is after. We'll zoom out just a little bit. A true street machine van. Like, this is the real deal. 100%. And it's got a look. And it's got slots. And it is holy hell buried in the ground. Look at that. Man, oh man. Look at the freaking styling on this bad girl, and holy crap. Holy mother of shag carpeting and pinstriping. And man, those mice had a lot of fun. That is a huge nest. My God, look at the dash. The dash isn't all destroyed. Yep, this thing is freaking sweet. I wonder how bad the rot is. With all of this nest, that's the one thing that's got Dad worried is rot. Oh, that's not too terribly bad. I wonder what the floors are like. See, it's a problem with this shag carpeting. As much as I love shag carpeting, it's cool. There is nothing that holds water worse than shag carpeting. That's kind of a shame. Windshield's good. It's not all destroyed. We got the flares on this side. We're missing a slot. I wonder where you get them flares. This thing needs a visor. Flares all the way around. A front spoiler. Oh, that door's stuck. Can't get in that door. Man, oh man. Now I gotta go back to the other side. Well, that's some pretty fresh rat poop. Or mouse poop. There's the doghouse. It don't look like it's in bad shape for where it's been sitting, really. I expected a whole lot less. It's kind of a shame it's been stripped out. I guess it was going to be this guy's son's high school project car for like automotive class. So it's kind of been stripped out. But I mean, it could all be fixed. It's really not in that bad of shape. Now, of course, I can't really, see too much, but I'm not seeing nearly as much rot as I had planned on seeing, really. Let's see. 8 1/4 rear end. That's what I thought would be underneath of it. There was a little controversy on what rear end was in this thing. They thought maybe it was a Dana, but I told him that wasn't possible in this thing, especially the year. I can't remember what year this is. I think it's 77, 78. I'm not sure. I'm not real up on vans, but I've always loved them. I think they're freaking cool as hell. So I'm gonna head back over there, help Dad work on the old tractor, and we'll get his impressions on this bad girl.
Yeah.
And what do you think about it so far, Dad?
Yeah, little patina on it.
It's got a cool look to it.
I like the stripes and stuff. I bet that was a dandy when it was new. All the pinstripe used to be on things.
Yeah. Oh, open that door.
God dang.
Yeah, I told you. If you open that door, there's more pinstriping.
Oh,
And a shag.
Yeah, that pinstripe.
It was pretty fancy at one time.
Yeah, we got a little bit of rot on that door, a little bit around there. We got some daylight down there.
Fucking rats.
Yeah, ton of rat poop.
There's the doghouse.
Mm-hmm. That carpeting is amazing. I bet you we could redo a lot of that interior. You're not going to be able to put the cool little windows in it because it's already got the big windows.
That sucks.
The flares are still on this side.
There's a tube grill, bro.
Yeah, it had a tube grill. Yeah, it's not too bad underneath. But we'd have to just get everything out of the interior and see just how bad the front floor pans are because they still got all the carpeting.
I bet they don't repop anything on these.
No,
They got rock, they just don't work.
it probably just needs to get lubed up.
Tires up on it, Mike?
Let's see. That's the distributor for it. Or a distributor. But it's got a little 318 in it. We would just have to get all of this cleaned up to really be able to see just what's left of the floors, because that's the deciding factor for Dad, is if the floors are any good. Get that pulled up. It don't look too bad, but that's only one part of the floor. You have to really dig all that out because that floor could be there or it could be completely gone. And let's see what Dad said. Well, we're checking for rot. It doesn't appear to be too much, which is amazing. Huh? Oh, year. I got the VIN number. Date of manufacture 0578. There's plenty of beer cans in here.
221.
Let's see.
You think that 440 was sitting there, bro?
Yeah, it just take the right mounts and everything. It'll be a tight fit.
I'll tell you what we could probably do. Open one side, grab the leaf blower, blow it out one side, pull it forward, blow it out the back.
Yeah, we got to get all this carpeting out of here. That's for sure.
Hey Mike,
Yeah.
take that mirror off the dash. Basically, that goes with the windshield.
Yeah, that would suck.
Beer is cheap.
Whew. That's a lot of crap.
Well, dash ain't cracked.
Yeah, that was one thing I was pretty proud of. And it's the plastic dash, so we'll need to take care of that, condition it. The keys are not in it. It's a 70 later style Chrysler column, so I mean we can always change the ignition switch as long as it ain't something special or rare. Yeah, well, I know how to take these columns apart, so. Well, we got to find those fender flares. That's for sure. It's got to have the flares.
No doubt.
I've got a set of Krager's for this thing. Bought just for in case Dad bought this or he bought a different one. It'd be nice to see it on the road.
Thank God you put it right there. Maybe they did.
Well, what are you thinking? You got it. I'll keep my cylinders. Right.
So what do you guys say about that van, Dad?
Well, I guess I own it.
Yeah, that's a damn good price.
What are you thinking?
I mean, we also don't know how bad the Fords really are.
I didn't figure he was gonna bite on it.
Yeah.
Gonna start low.
Yep, I think it was a damn good deal. So now next weekend we'll come out. If the weather's still good, drag her home. We'll get her cleaned up, pressure washed, all that fun jazz. And you can start moving forward to planning.
Trip to the car wash.
Big trip to the car wash.
Full car wash.
Get a couple hazmat suits, maybe.
Yeah, that's probably got the biggest pile of pack rat pile that I've seen in a while.
Yeah, I ain't never seen nothing that bad.
Yeah, they come out and we'll probably get a pitchfork and just start throwing that shit out.
Yeah. Well, that was kind of unfortunate. I was sitting there actually editing the video today, and look at that. Dad actually looks taller than me because he's on the hill. And I'm in my slippers and he's in his boots. Yeah. So I was sitting there editing the video today. Dad, you got to stand just a little bit closer so we're not cutting our ears off. There we go. And well, I was doing that video and the daggone ending got cut off, and that was actually a pretty good little outro we filmed out at Terry's place. So we just want to come out here and just close everything out here at the house. This Saturday, we'll be going to snag that van. Dad got the deal done on it, and should be pretty dang cool. We've been talking to some of the van accessory people, a couple van guys I know, and we're going to be getting everything to fix that old dude up. Dad's still him and Han whether or not he's going to paint it or what he's going to do, but we know for a fact. Flip that around. That 440 we got videos of running. Is going in the dang thing. No ifs, ands, nors, or buts on it. At 360 or 318, it's in a small block, is and 440's going in home, because that's what's cool. Big old chrome side pipes and all that fun, funky, cool jazz, shag carpeting, maybe a spinning waterbed, a disco ball, mirrors everywhere. Wait, we're father and son. Why are we talking about that? This ain't even
The shag.
lots and lots, all the shag carpeting. But as always, guys, we definitely appreciate you for checking this one out, and I hope I didn't leave anything out. But anyways,
Probably did.
probably more than likely. But as always, guys, look forward to seeing you in the next one. So take care and
Bye-bye.
bye-bye.